Hey, hi everybody, and this is Arvind Upadhyay talking about that why it's hard to succeed nowadays. Let me tell you a story that back I was somewhere for the event and I was talking about that's how everyone trying to get your attention, and this is same apply in real life. You saw some girls there out there, they trying to get your attention, and each and everybody like that, everyone trying to get your attention is the most luxurious thing nowadays. Now these days attention is so much powerful and everyone trying to get that your attention. So the average person have the less than the attention span of a goldfish. Now you can imagine that if you are just frying your brain every single day, you're watching the reels on Instagram, you're doing the short videos, your attention and your focus span is decreasing every single day. So my advice is that's the good news is that by some the good work ethics and by understanding some discipline, you can increase your focus level and your attention level, and that is the only way to getting succeed. Because of that, you are just killing your testosterone, you are just killing your focus, and you are just killing your success each and every single day. So increase your testosterone, increase your attention level, and increase your success.